In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MyFitnessPal Diary. This process is straightforward and will help you keep a record of your nutritional journey. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once it's open, navigate to the search bar, type in MyFitnessPal, and hit the Enter key. This action will take you to the search results where you can find the official MyFitnessPal website. It's essential to ensure you are accessing the correct website to protect your personal information. You should see various links, but focus on the one that leads to myfitnesspal.com. Click on that link to proceed. Next up, once you are on the MyFitnessPal homepage, look for the Login option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Input your email and password associated with your MyFitnessPal account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option for recovery. Once you have logged in successfully, you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can track your food intake and workouts. Now that you are logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Here you will find several tabs including food, exercise, and more. Click on the main food tab. This is where all your dietary logs are stored. By accessing this tab, you will be able to view your food diary, which is crucial for tracking your nutrition. It brings all your entries front and center, making it easy to manage your dietary habits. After that, scroll down to the bottom of your diary page. There you will find an option that says View Full Report Printable. Click on this link. This action will lead you to a detailed report of all the foods you have logged. It's important because this full report will give you the insights needed to evaluate your eating habits comprehensively. You will now see a full breakdown of your food intake over time. Once the full report is displayed, you will need to select your targeted start and end dates for the report. This allows you to customize the information you want to download. After choosing the dates, click on Change Report to load the logs. This step is crucial because it ensures you are downloading the exact data you need. The report will update showing your selected date range, making it easier for you to focus on specific periods in your dietary journey. Next, press the Ctrl and P keys simultaneously if you are on a Windows computer. If you are using a Mac, press the Command and P keys. This action will trigger your browser's print menu. At this point, you may see a preview of what your report will look like when printed. It's a good way to confirm everything appears as you want it before saving. Now, look for the Print Destination drop-down menu within the Print dialog. Change this setting from your physical printer to Save as PDF. This is an important step because it allows you to save a digital copy of your diary report. You'll be able to access it anytime on your device, making it a valuable resource for tracking your progress over time. Once you have selected the Save as PDF option, click on the Save button. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the file. Once saved, you can open and review your diary at any time. This makes sure your changes are saved and you will always have a record of your nutritional journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you effectively download your MyFitnessPal diary.